The Microsoft Teams is a collaboration application built for hybrid work so you and your team stay informed, organized, and connected all in one place. You can even change your notification settings based on your liking in this application. So if you're looking for a solution on how to enable mobile notifications only when inactive on a desktop version, make sure to follow the steps in this video. So first, you have to open Microsoft Teams on your mobile device and sign in with your account. Then to change your notification settings, select your profile picture on the top left portion of the Microsoft Teams mobile application. Then choose Settings, click on Notifications, and then select the When Active on Desktop Only option. And finally, toggle the slider to turn it on. And that's it! You have now enabled mobile notifications only when inactive on desktop version of Microsoft Teams. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.